It's the latest move in the ongoing legal saga of former Hope Christian teacher Kelly McEachran, who's facing charges for assaulting former students, patronizing prostitutes, and who's also facing 2 lawsuits tied to those sexual assault allegations. In a new motion, McEachran's defense attorney is asking a judge to reconsider the ruling that's keeping him in jail until trial. The motion points to the more than 60 witnesses who wrote letters or testified in support of McEachran and his character, including his wife.
He's kind, he's tender, he's loving.
The motion also states prosecutors never presented valid evidence to support their claim that the alleged abuse spanned decades. The motion also argues that new info has come to light showing McEachran is not a threat to the community, citing an October test McEachran did known as the ABLE Assessment for Sexual Interest. Defense attorneys say the test objectively measures someone's sexual interest with the goal of identifying any behavioral problems, and that McEachran's results of this assessment show he is not attracted to adolescent females. This isn't the defense's first effort to get their client out of jail until trial. They had another effort to the Supreme Court earlier this year that was denied. Defense attorneys also filed this motion to quash the indictment. They claim prosecutors embellished claims from alleged victims to further a narrative and secure a felony indictment, saying some of the allegations would at most be criminal contact of a minor, but were exaggerated to get a criminal penetration of a minor charge. In response to this motion, prosecutors say the defense attorneys had an issue with how law enforcement rephrased what alleged victims said, but that there were no claims that prosecutors intentionally distorted evidence and that the grand jury proceedings routinely rely on officer testimony, saying if the defense thinks the evidence does not support the charges, the right remedy is not dismissing the charges, but taking them to trial. Annalisa Pardo, KRQE News 13.